Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix personal hotspot not connecting to laptop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first and basic method is turn off on allow others to join. To do this, open the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now click on mobile data and then turn off the mobile data. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Go to the back menu, click on personal hotspot. Here you have to turn off allow others to join. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Now change your password. And try to connect the hotspot to the computer or laptop. So guys, as you can see, the personal hotspot has been connected to the laptop. Method 2 is forget and reconnect personal hotspot. For that, click on the Wi-Fi icon and then select the network. After that, right click on the network you want to remove. Select forget this network. Now wait for a few seconds. Then click on the network. Enter the password. And click on connect button. Click on yes. After doing this, your hotspot will be connected to your laptop or PC. Method 3 is change device name. To do this, launch settings app on your iOS device. Swipe down and click on general. Click on about and then click on name. Here, enter your new name. Go to the back menu and turn on mobile data and personal hotspot. After turning on the mobile data and personal hotspot, try to connect the hotspot to the computer or laptop. That's it. Like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.